Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade rice cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and prepare for the cooking process. You'll need about 2 cups of sweet rice flour, 1 cup of hot water, and a small pinch of salt. This recipe is incredibly forgiving, making it perfect for anyone new to making rice cakes. We'll focus on creating a smooth, pliable dough that's ready for steaming. Now, let's mix our ingredients. In a bowl, combine the sweet rice flour and salt. Slowly pour in the hot water, mixing with a spoon until a shaggy dough forms. Once cool enough to handle, knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, place the dough in a steamer basket lined with parchment paper and steam it for around 20 minutes, ensuring it's thoroughly cooked through. After steaming, carefully remove the hot dough. It will be very sticky, so lightly oil your hands and a clean surface. Knead the warm dough for another 5 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect chewy texture. Next, roll the dough into logs or flatten it into discs, depending on your desired shape. Aim for pieces about 3.5 inches long for traditional rice cakes or 1/4 inch thick for discs. Once shaped, let your homemade rice cakes cool completely. This makes them much easier to slice without sticking. You can then use them in your favorite savory or sweet dishes, like a spicy teriyaki or a sweet dessert. Store any unused rice cakes in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Remember to check the description below for a link to those amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, chewy homemade rice cakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.